Hello dear friends and welcome to momnomnom. Today we're going to make with you an easy no-bake Oreo cake. Before we continue, please subscribe to my channel and press the notifications button not to miss any new upcoming videos. So for this easy cake, you will need 2 packs of Oreo cookies, 200 milliliters of low-fat cream, 200 grams of mascarpone cheese, a little bit milk to dip your cookies, and vanilla sugar to your taste. First off, you will need to separate the cookies from the cream filling. You can as well use any other cookies of your choice instead of Oreos. Don't forget to keep some cookies for the decoration. And don't throw the cream filling. We'll still need it at our next stage. Here we're using the low-fat cream, but if you want your cake to be richer in taste, you can as well go for the full-fat cream. Add vanilla sugar to your taste. And lastly, add some mascarpone or any other cream cheese such as Philadelphia. Whisk everything together until the mixture is smooth and even. Spread some cream on the bottom of your dish so that the cookies will not slide when forming the cake. Before layering the cake, dip your cookies in some milk to soften them. Alternatively, try using cold coffee instead of milk. This will make your cake taste really great. Now spread your mascarpone cream on top of your cookies. You can put as much as you want. After all, the more cream you put, the tastier your cake will be. Repeat the previous steps until all the cookies and the cream have been used. Be creative and use your imagination when decorating the cake. Berries, nuts, chocolate chips, everything will be of use. I decided to keep it simple and sprinkled some cookie crumbs on top. Before serving the cake, keep it in the fridge for a couple of hours. Our easy, no-bake Oreo cake is ready. Bon appetit!